Hi, it's Brooke from Revive and Infusion Injection Services and the new BioRenew services here in Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania. Wanted to give you a little quick educational video today on one of the services we do offer that can be very, very helpful this time of the year and actually all year long. And I wanted to talk to you about the benefits of ozone therapy, specifically breathing in ozone through oil. And the nice thing about this is that it's a treatment that can actually, help with chronic issues such as asthma, allergies, mold toxicities, COPD, or even something acute like a cold or a virus that really clogs up the sinus passages, gives a sore throat, the sore ears, that kind of thing. And that is really the new technology we're offering here in the clinic. So let me tell you a little bit more about it. Why is breathing ozone through oil beneficial for both acute and chronic issues? Well, the benefits are, enhanced respiratory health. Breathing ozonides, which is the ozone bubbled through oil, delivers oxygen-rich compounds to the lungs and sinuses, helping to reduce inflammation and promote healing. For the acute issues, it is effective in relieving respiratory infections, sinus congestions, and sore throats as it targets pathogens without directly exposing the lungs to ozone gas. For chronic issues, it's beneficial for conditions like COPD, asthma, mold exposure, and it supports the lung functions and reduces oxidative stress over time. As you saw in the previous clip, you saw oxygen going through oil to go through the concentrator and then add on the extra oxygen molecule, making it ozone. Bubbling it through the oil actually helps to remove the particles that are toxic for you that you can't actually get into your lungs. So I'm actually breathing the ozonides through this nasal cannula right now very safely. Treatment protocol is about 15 minutes. Breathing this in, helping to detoxify the lungs, helping with antibacterial, antimicrobial functions, all those good things to help with either those acute or chronic issues that we just talked about. So this is very comfortable. Again, this can be done as a walk-in treatment if you're not feeling good, or you can book an appointment. We're going to have expanded hours for this service because I think this is going to be very beneficial for most people in this area, because at one time or another we all get not feeling good with a respiratory infection, or we have chronic allergies, or we have asthma, or we have exposure to mold toxicity, and it's just something we can add to our wellness journey just to feel a little bit better. So again, this feels nice and clean, and it's a safe alternative to any other things. With the idea of it being anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, that's kind of great. You're kind of washing out the sinus passages and getting it as deep as you can into the lungs without being harmful. So who can't take this treatment? Definitely pregnancy is a topic that was usually avoided due to the unknown outcomes that could happen. Anyone with active pulmonary conditions like uncontrolled asthma, cystic fibrosis, things like that, heart conditions that are unstable, also history of epilepsy or seizures due to the potential sensitivity to ozone exposure. And sometimes for some people who are sensitive to ozone, you might have a reaction such as a headache or dizziness or difficult breathing. And those are some of the things that we like to consider before starting a treatment plan. So if you're interested in this service, you can either call the office at 814-433-2632, stop by the clinic at 101 Allegheny Street. It's going to be available in the 1C suite location downstairs. It will be upstairs in the new expanded clinic here very shortly. Or you can also go online and book the ozone therapy. It's ozone nasal therapy. So questions 814-433-2632. And I encourage you all to check out this therapy. It's something that we're bringing to the area that's a little bit unique, but actually is beneficial. So we'll talk to you soon. If you have any questions, I said give us a call, or also visit the website at reviveiv814.com.